In the bustling West African cities of Cape Coast and Bow City, a remarkable shift is underway. A journey towards acknowledging and embracing nature as an integral part of urban life.
I'm committed to keep my nature beautiful and my environment clean.
So I am committed in making sure that every day of my life I teach people about biodiversity conservation.
Today, my commitment was urban natural asset in the value chain. I want to see that enabling environment where all sectors can come together, collaborate, and strategize.
And I promise to commit to nature by not using single-use plastic which pollutes the environment.
I commit to protect, to create awareness for the people of Cape Coast.
I'll contribute to the urban nature by planting more trees, not involving in activities that will destroy Mother Nature. I'll also advocate others to do well in their environments.
I commit to the urban natural assets by educating, helping my community so that everybody can be able to plant trees in their homes, to create more urban green spaces for everybody.
And I commit to preserving, conserving, and tinkering with the future.
Through the Urno Resilience Project, funded by SwedBio and driven by ICLEI Africa since 2021, these cities have embarked on a collective mission to foster resilience and sustainability.
When we take proper care of the nature of our asset, then it will also lead us in the right way. Nature is ours and ours is nature.
My commitment is saying that this center will be put into the best of use for the restoration of the Fosu Lagoon.
Through tireless efforts and unwavering commitment, residents are redefining the relationship between urban spaces and the natural world. These actions, both big and small, ripple through the fabric of our cities, leaving a lasting legacy of sustainability and stewardship of urban natural assets, an inspiration for others to follow.
My commitment goes beyond what I can do in my city. The commitment is to remember that I'm connected to nature and how interlinked we all are, and remembering our individual responsibilities.
If we get to understand that whatever we do has the rippling effect on us, then we'll be very careful as to how we lead our life. I think protecting urban natural resource would always enhance our development.
I commit to reducing my carbon footprint in whatever way I can. I commit to reusing, recycling. I also commit to helping local organic markets. And I commit to use less natural resources, and I think traveling is a bit issue in our part of the world where we really have to think about.
My commitment is to start growing herbs in my nearby community garden. Herbs that can be used for cooking, but also gives nectar and food to bees and other insects that pollinate. And my commitment to urban nature is to continue empowering and working with communities, to engage communities in order for us to work together, to collaborate and build sustainable, equitable and just cities for the future.
I want to say thank you for ICLEI Africa for such an initiative, bringing us together for this city and city exchange. Thank you.
As we stand at the precipice of change, let us heed the resounding call of nature. Let us pledge to protect, conserve, and cherish our environment, today and every day. Let's shape a future where nature and cities thrive, and the people that live in them flourish. Join us in this journey of transformation. Together, we can ensure a brighter, greener future for all. How will you commit to nature today?